And our Team 3 coverage moves to Crittenden County now, where there was significant flooding and a church caught on fire after a possible lightning strike. WREG's Brian Didlake was there all day. He brings us the latest tonight.
Residents throughout Crittenden County have had quite the weather-aware day, from battling fires to avoiding flooded streets. The impacts of this latest round of storms have left many people we spoke with on edge.
Here for about 2.5 hours watching my church burn down because we have not had enough water pressure.
Celebrating 160 years later this year, Bishop Kenneth Taylor leads Pleasant Grove Missionary Baptist Church and says it's been heartbreaking to learn from West Memphis Fire that a possible lightning strike set his church on fire. Besides the lack of water pressure, Taylor says crews had to fight more than just the elements.
Pull the ceiling out, no fire, no the ceiling. So he said that in between the two, that's where the blaze was and they couldn't get to it.
The city of West Memphis also experienced heavy flooding, shutting down several roads. One car abandoned on Barden Avenue. The city operating all water pumps at full capacity.
Be very careful, come real slow through the water. You know, I ain't driving my car, I drive the truck.
When our WREG weather experts say that this is generational flooding when it comes to the amount of rainfall that Arkansas has seen, this is what they are talking about. Residents say here in West Memphis that this was once a field, but as you can see, I'm already only a few steps in and the water's already almost above my boots, a good 1 to 2 feet of just rainwater by itself, along with the sewer that has been overrun with water. It's a situation that we have been seeing not only here in West Memphis, but in Earl, Arkansas as well.
For the city, this is the most the rain have ever happened in the history of the city.
Earl's mayor, Jalen Smith, says about 25 people had to be evacuated as waters rose. The city says the storm brought citywide flooding. Smith says he hopes the city's infrastructure holds.
But normally when we see a lot of rain, those sewer and water issues start to happen. But so gracefully, we have not seen that as of yet. But hopefully, when all this water leaves the city, we pray that we don't have any major damages.
But back in West Memphis, Pastor Taylor says he will maintain his faith as he makes his next steps.
And I think I've cried enough tears today, and I got some more to cry. There will be glory after this, but there's going to be a better after this.
Pastor Taylor says he may have to have a virtual service on Sunday as he waits to assess the damage. We're in West Memphis. Brian Didlake for your news leader, WREG Channel 3.